Hey pack leaders, doing this video on replacing your RV speakers. Mine was blown out, and alternative that's better than this 30 watt. Let's try some 150 watts, some 100 watts, or whatever. But turns out that this cutout here is only like 4 3/8 of an inch. So all the other ones were like 5 inches, and then I got the right speaker size, 5.25 inch. The hole, which is what you need to check for, shows that when I looked at this speaker, it was only 4 3/8. So you have to find something similar, which I could not find unless you know of something and let me know. So then I was like, forget it. After 3 speakers, trying to ship it back and forth from Amazon and try new ones, I was like, forget it. I guess it's not that important to me. So I just went back and replaced it with the original factory one that has a proper size opening, and I just didn't want to cut a bigger hole on there, because I just hate cutting holes and make things bigger than what you need to be. So yeah, hopefully you get to understand that before buying some speakers, save you some time, and maybe get the right size. Okay, so it's called the base cutout size or something like that. They show it on Amazon. Bye.